Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Bullish Avalanche Avax cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $170.91 and $322.83 by 2030. Market experts accept Avax could reach $132.93 by 2025. Negative Avalanche market cost expectation for 2023 is $30.38. Avalanche Avax presentation. Avalanche was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that takes into consideration genuinely decentralized applications as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a reasonable contender to Ethereum. Avalanche was established by 3 PhD, moves on from Cornell College. The Avalanche convention depends in research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to all the while accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is Avalanche Avax? Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for circulated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals looks to expel Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for brilliant agreements. Avalanche is presently worth $37.98. Avax has moved 112% as of now with an exchanging volume of $633.46. Avalanche is as of now position 10 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $16,173,311,583 USD. Using the overall strength record RSI, moving weighted normal NWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Avalanche Avax to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Avalanche Avax market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2023. Avalanche, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. Avax. The Avax cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $56.97. Likewise, with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $53.17 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $45.58. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Avalanche Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform $94.95. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Avax's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Avax will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $75.96 and a typical exchanging cost of $83.56. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $132.93 and Avax might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Avax is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $121.54 and a low of $113.94 in 2025. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Avalanche effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2026. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $170.91, with a base cost of $151.92 and a typical cost of $159.52. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Avax cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $197.50 by 2027, with a base cost of $189.90 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Avax has a most extreme value worth of $208.89. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $235.48. On the off chance that Avax figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $246.87. Neglecting to assemble the help Avax needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $227.88. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2029. While Avax is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $265.86 and a yearly cost close above $284.85 in 2029. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Avalanche will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $303.84 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $322.83, averaging out at $311.44. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Avax cost in 2031 is projected to be $372.21 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $357.01. And generally, Avalanche appears to be an extremely encouraging task with a ton of possibilities. In the event that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi or digital currencies by and large, Avax could be a decent choice for you. What is the Avalanche Avax cost today? Today, Avalanche Avax is exchanging at $37.98 with a complete market capitalization of $16 and $173,311,583. Is Avalanche a wise venture? Avalanche ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that Avax is a decent decision of venture. How high can Avalanche go? The typical cost of Avalanche Avax might conceivably reach $53.17 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Avalanche might outperform $246.87. What amount will Avalanche be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising ubiquity of digital currency and Avalanche, a drawn-out interest in Avax could see the value ascend to $246.87 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Avalanche be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Avalanche today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Avax might